You know, you were talking about the movies you remembered, legal movies as a child. I think the first legal movie I ever watched was Mrs. Doubtfire. And I specifically remember it because it was the first PG-13 movie I could go see. But I thought that, you know, Robin Williams, and it was hysterical. It was such a great movie. But if you really think about it, if we had somebody come into our office who was cross-dressing to spend time with their children, can you imagine how quickly the court would intervene on that?
When you really think about it, Miss Doubtfire is a comedy, right? Because Robin Williams is just a genius comic actor. But really the movie is dead serious. It is basically a father going just in absolute desperation, cross-dressing as a nanny to try to get around parental alienation because he's not even allowed to see his kids. And when you look at the movie that way, it is just a completely different sort of movie.
Well, I think it subtly touches on, you know, a divorce does not just impact these kids. We have a family, and now dad's all of a sudden in this crappy little apartment, barely seeing the kids, and he's suffering just as much because he doesn't have the same resources as mom. So it honestly, if you look at it, despite all of the comedy, it is kind of a heartbreaking depiction of what can happen in family cases.
It's a different movie when you look at it through that lens.
Oh, definitely.